What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'll be talking about a remote job that you can get hired by Google and be certified and get a job working remotely from home. In front of me here, I have Google cybersecurity, and Google is implementing these new certificates, especially like the big companies like Microsoft, Google, Facebook. All of these big companies are introducing a different type of way of learning. Honestly, with all this tech and all this new technology always coming out, I truly don't believe college could keep up with it because it's always evolving. And I believe like the tech industry is realizing that, and they're trying to, teach people faster and give more details with that. So in front of me here, I have the Google cybersecurity certificate, and this is a course made by Google, the big companies that want you to learn what it really takes to do cybersecurity. And with this, it shows you exactly the medium entry-level salary for cybersecurity is $100,000 after you take the certificate. Currently, on average, over 200,000 openings for cybersecurity, and it just shows you more about this course. If you're interested in this, I'm also going to have it in the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comments. But this really does land you and connect you with larger, bigger companies. You can see here, connect with over 150 top employers that are looking for this type of thing. But people might think, you'll never get a job getting paid over $100,000 without a college degree. I promise you, you are wrong, and you're living in a different time. A lot of companies are paying a lot more if you're certified by these courses. If you put your certifications on LinkedIn, large companies are searching right now for those certificates. Once you click get started, it's going to lead you to this, right? It's going to lead you to this page here. And what I like about Coursera here is that you can even enroll and do the course for 7 days for free. You can see here, it does say it takes about 6 months to complete. If you put only 7 hours with this course, you can put more than 7 hours. You can put 20 hours a week. You can get really serious with it. You can put 30, 40. You can finish this honestly in 2 to 3 months. If you're really serious, you can finish it in 2 months. And there's a bunch of, if you do your research on this, you will see that people are getting hired after taking this certificate. Over $100,000 medium pay, a lot of job openings for this. You can see the people that are taking this course, what are they rating it? 4.9, almost a 5 on this course, right? And it's just an amazing opportunity to change a career, change a path, do a new direction in life. Like things like this are amazing because IT tech is just evolving so fast. It's crazy. So I want to show you a couple more courses that you can check out as well if you don't want to be in Google cybersecurity. Microsoft even has their own with this as well. We're going to scroll down on this. I'm going to show you more or less the most popular ones, right? There's AWS. This is a cloud technology from Amazon. This course is fairly new, only 81 reviews, but the rating is 4.8. On average, you can finish it in 4 months if you spend 10 hours a week. Let's see. And on this one, they don't really have the on average how much you get paid. But if you're trying to get a job with Amazon, this would be the cloud course to take. And what I like about Coursera, after I did a bunch of research on this, because Coursera literally, after you do the certificate, they give you leads of who's hiring for that position. So they connect you with larger companies and, they reach out to you and you can get hired like that. It's not just like, okay, you complete the course now, good luck. No, you complete the certificate and they kind of guide you along the way to give you the right job openings and who's hiring for those positions as well. So that's what I like about it. You can see here, like I said, it connects you to 150 top employers that are looking for these certificates. Cybersecurity is a big demand. All the big companies need it, and it's a great certificate to get. Honestly, let's go and see some more courses. They're also Google IT support, which it's okay. Honestly, I'll pass on that. They have Python, which is pretty good. Let's see. Back-end development is also big on demand. Let's see. You can see, look at that. Medium pay. I told you, medium pay for this one is $148,000 salary. Just back-end developers and front-end developers are really big with making money. This course does take 12 months to complete. It's a little longer than the other one, 10 hours a week. It depends on what position and what you're going for, right? The cybersecurity one is a great one to start with. Google has one, Google Cybersecurity and Microsoft Cybersecurity. If you're interested in these, I'm going to have it in the link down below. you could just click it and do your research on it. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it does. You can land a job with this, and it does work. It's not just, this is just not another YouTube video that you see that's just giving out fake information. This is real, legit, and you could actually make a full career switch from this. But one thing you need to keep note when you do this is that you want to take it serious. You want to, put that time and effort in whatever you're trying to do. And, put some time on the side for yourself and really invest in yourself and in your future with this. If you're trying to make a career switch or switch jobs or anything like that, do this on the side after you're done with work, once you're going home or anything like that on your spare time. Spend a couple of hours on it. It's really flexible. It's online at your own pace is what I like. And you're going to be able to work remotely from your home. It doesn't get any better than that, honestly. That's what I love about working from home and working for myself. I don't do this. I actually sell full-time on Amazon. It's how I made my whole career. All my money is selling on Amazon, making money online. In this channel, I talk about selling on Amazon, making money online, and increasing your finances. So if you're ever interested in learning anything like that, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions regarding these courses, leave a comment down below. I read them all. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. Also, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. And if you're ever interested in selling on Amazon and want to learn how to sell on Amazon, I also teach people how to do that for free. I have a free course for you guys if you're interested ever in that. And that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.